Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. This is not financial advice. However, we are just going to be taking a look at some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies. Let's get into it. Coming in first at number 3 on our list, we have Efinity and Enjinstarter. Efinity, launched by Enjin, is an NFT blockchain built on Polkadot, which aims to make the increasingly popular NFT marketplace accessible and scalable for its users. Enjin is developing an interconnected cross-chain market, which allows users to seamlessly receive and send NFTs from any blockchain. Enjin was launched after an $18.9 million private sale, designed to provide a seamless experience for the end user. A special algorithm was set in place to enable the game channel network to process transactions every 6 seconds, and it can scale up to 1,000 transactions per second. Enjinstarter is a launchpad focused on blockchain gaming and metaverses, whose aim is to build a thriving ecosystem for blockchain gaming and to introduce new ways for the community to earn crypto in a fun and engaging manner. Their proprietary platform will allow creators and game developers to run capital-raising campaigns and build communities concurrently. Beyond issuing tokens, Enjinstarter provides game developers with a way to explore other innovative ways of raising capital to fund their projects through the sale of virtual items as NFTs. At number 2 on our list, we have Unvest. Trade Cardano locked tokens through Unvest. Its self-described mission is to become a more environmentally sustainable and scalable blockchain network, in part by relying less on energy-consuming cryptocurrency miners. One platform focusing on Cardano is Unvest, a multi-chain protocol that started by providing their economic model on Ethereum, and are now planning and peer-reviewing a deployment to Cardano. Unvest is the open multi-chain DeFi protocol for trading locked tokens, free, fully customizable vesting and distribution for project owners. Unvest has 2 core products that allow Cardano-focused teams to execute optimal token offerings. Liquid vesting tokens, or LVTs, are a novel technology that allows any project to distribute locked tokens to early investors, while supporting OTC traders of allocations during vesting. Vesting NFTs bring functional NFTs to Cardano. Early investor allocations are represented as a tradable NFT. Whoever holds the NFT can claim during a customizable linear vesting schedule. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies, we have Solbank. Solbank protects your privacy by using a kind of collective piggy bank, where users deposit equal amounts of Sol into a given piggy bank. When a user is ready to spend their money, they can withdraw any one of the equal deposits from other users. This way, the output transactions cannot be linked to any specific input transaction. By using smart contracts and ZK Snark technology, with crypto transactions increasing, on-chain technology privacy is being highly discussed to keep you safe from exposing yourself. Solbank is a secure application that allows you to interact with privacy smart contracts on Solana to hide the amounts and the origins of cryptocurrencies held, in a decentralized, non-custodial and frictionless manner. Anyone can easily install Solbank and start reaping the privacy benefits in no time at all. Besides the smart contract functionality, the Solbank wallet offers a higher level of privacy due to Tor integration. And those are some of the top 3 best upcoming cryptocurrencies on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.